iPhone 13 Pro Max White Screen Issue Fix-In. First, remove the screen. We use a special tool to remove display to avoid damaging it. Remove all screws and connector guards. Then, check the display points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember 7th point. From the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember 7th point. Give a shock to the 7th point using Leitner Piezo Igniter. It's done. You can get it from an igniting lighter. Sometimes this method does not work for all iPhone 13 Pro Max. But we have other solutions too. Please check our channel other videos. Assemble all the removed parts. Display is back to life without replacing full display. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon.